Good morning, everyone. So sorry for not showing up in yesterday's class. Something unexpected came up, so I had to attend to it as quickly as possible. But I just wanted to use this video to cover up for what we would have done, just a bit of it, especially for those that I said should download the PyDroid app. But this video is for everyone to watch. You're going to be learning something new. So what we're going to be using today is a function called the input function. Just the same way we've been using the print function. In future, we'll be using this input function a lot. So how this input function works is that it's used to accept a input from a user, and you can now display it out. What do we mean by accepting an input from a user? Maybe we need something like enter age or something else. Maybe you say enter your name, and then we can use the person's name to do something. That's what we are going to be doing here. So how the input function works is this. So let's just say something like print. We're going to say print, and then we're going to say maybe enter your name. So after we say print enter your name, we definitely know what that's going to give us, enter your name. So first you can declare a variable. So the variable I'm going to be declaring here is name, and I'm going to say name is equal to input, and I'm going to leave this empty. So just leave it empty like this, and then after you finish, all you just want to do is to print name. So this is just the little code that you're going to be writing. So we are going to run it now. So as you can see now, it says enter your name, but the code has not finished. Now this remaining space that is showing there, if you come here and you can just write a name, Augustine, you can press enter, this last blue key there on your keyboard, and it automatically does what? Shows you Augustine again. So what happens is that in this place here, we said name is equal to input, and then we say print name. You see it showed that you saw it now gave us the result of that input. So I'm going to do something. I probably haven't taught you this, but you can actually pass two variables. Not two variables, sorry. You can do something like this. So we're going to just use a string now and say your name is, and I'm going to do this and put a comma. So it said your name is this, and we're going to run it. It said enter your name, Augustine, and it's going to tell me your name is Augustine. So you see, it's whatever I tap at this particular point, I press here and say, maybe I say comfort, and I press enter, it's going to tell me your name is Comfort. So that is just a brief description of how we are going to be using this input function. Now why I said we should see this input function is because we are going to be using it in a little, I call it the bouncer app. That was one of the first little projects I did. It's going to help you understand if statements a lot. So thank you very much for doing this. Please learn this thing. I'm going to see how we'll cover up from yesterday's class.